Imagine waking up in the morning, checking your bank account, and seeing $2,000 deposited without lifting a finger. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, what if we told you this isn't just a fantasy, it's achievable, and the fastest way to get there is simpler than you think. In this video, we're breaking down the step-by-step process to live off dividends and how you can start today. Stay tuned, because tip number 5 is the real game changer. Now, to make $2,000 a month from dividends, you've got to reverse engineer the math. Let's assume an average dividend yield of 4%. To earn $2,000 a month, or $24,000 a year, you'd need to invest around $600,000. Hold up! I know that sounds like a lot, but don't click away. I'm going to show you how to build this wealth faster than you think. It's all about strategy and consistency. You don't need $600,000 tomorrow, but if you're smart with your savings and investments, you'll reach that number quicker than most. And the best part? You can start with way less. One of the fastest ways to grow your investment is through the magic of compound growth. What is it? It's basically earning interest on your interest. You reinvest the dividends you earn, and over time, your money grows exponentially. Let's say you start with just $10,000 in a dividend stock that pays 4%. If you keep reinvesting those dividends, in 20 years, that can grow into a six-figure sum without you adding another dime. Compounding is like a snowball. Small at first, but over time it becomes a giant moneymaker. That's why starting early, even with small amounts, is crucial. Not all dividend stocks are created equal. You want to invest in companies with a strong track record of paying dividends consistently. Look for what we call dividend aristocrats. These are companies that have not only paid but increased their dividends for 25 years or more. Think of names like Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, and Procter & Gamble. These companies are like the MVPs of the dividend world, reliable and consistent. Another tip, diversify. Don't just put all your money in one stock. Spread it across different sectors, healthcare, tech, and consumer goods. This way, you protect yourself from market fluctuations. If you want to build a $2,000 dividend income quickly, you need to diversify without the headache of picking individual stocks. That's where dividend ETFs come in. These are baskets of dividend-paying stocks, and they give you exposure to a whole range of companies with just one purchase. Some popular ones include the Vanguard High Dividend Yield ETF or the Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF. These are great for beginners or anyone who wants to grow their income fast without too much risk. With dividend ETFs, you're getting the best of both worlds: solid dividend income and the safety of diversification. Plus, they require less hands-on management, which is perfect for busy people. Now here's the real game changer: dividend reinvestment plans, or DRIPs. Instead of cashing out your dividends, you reinvest them into buying more shares. This accelerates your portfolio's growth because you're continually increasing the number of shares you own. It's like adding more wood to the fire, and it will help you hit that $2,000 per month faster than just pocketing the cash. You can set this up automatically with most brokers, so you don't even have to think about it. It's all about setting a goal, leveraging compounding, picking the right stocks, diversifying through ETFs, and reinvesting your dividends. Start today, be consistent, and in no time, you'll be sipping your coffee, knowing that your dividends have you covered. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the best money-making tips. And let me know in the comments, what's your favorite dividend stock?